She come from silver spoon, golden road, private school, never Sunday church. I come from blue collar, low dollar, out here where concrete meets old red dirt. And I don't know what happened, but it sure don't matter on paper. But as long as she lets me take her where she wants to go, she keeps on loving me, loving the way I am. She's not just along for the ride, she's my biggest friend. And it's a little piece of heaven every day down in mine. She keeps on loving me, and I keep on wondering why. She got the wickedest angel out, every guy wanted to hold her close. She's as pretty as sea, like the sun going down on the California coast. She keeps loving me, loving the way I am. She's not just a local ride, she's my biggest friend. Oh, she's so little sweet, never down in line. She keeps on loving me, and I keep on wondering why. As long as she let me, I'll take her wherever she wants me to take her. She's loving the way I am. She's not just a normal ride, she's my biggest friend. Oh, it's a little long piece of heaven we would lay down at night. She keeps on loving me, and I keep on wondering why. She keeps on loving me, and I keep on wondering why. Thank you, everybody.
Ladies and gentlemen, one more time, the Laundry Room. Thank you, guys. All right, so how you guys doing? You guys